Hi everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. Today I have a super simple recipe, but it tastes absolutely delicious. We're going to make banana pudding. Who doesn't love pudding? It's soft, sweet, and can be enjoyed anytime, especially when you add bananas, which make it even more flavorful. This pudding is perfect as an afternoon snack, a dessert after meals, or even as a lunchbox treat for kids. If you're ready, let's get started. Step 1. Preparing the ingredients. First, let's prepare the ingredients. Don't worry, these are things you probably already have at home. 1 pack of unflavored pudding mix, 7 grams. This will help the pudding set perfectly. 1 ripe banana. This will add natural sweetness and a creamy texture to the pudding. 200 milliliters of water to dissolve the pudding mix. 100 grams of sugar. This is optional. You can reduce it if your banana is already sweet enough. Once we have all the ingredients ready, let's move on to the next step. Step 2. Making the pudding mixture. Mash the banana. First, let's mash the banana. You can use a fork or a blender depending on your preference. If you like a smoother texture, blend it until completely creamy. But if you prefer pudding with banana chunks, just mash it with a fork. Or you can also just cut the banana into small pieces using a knife. And the result will be like this. Mix the liquid ingredients. Now we mix the milk, sugar, salt, and vanilla extract in a saucepan. Stir gently until the sugar dissolves. Dissolve the pudding mix. Pour 200 milliliters of water into the pudding mix, stir well, and then add it to the saucepan with the milk mixture. Cook the pudding mixture. Turn on low heat and cook the mixture while stirring continuously. Don't use high heat to keep the texture soft and smooth. Add the mashed banana. Once the mixture is warm, we add the mashed banana. Stir gently to make sure it blends well. Pudding is a dessert made from a liquid or semi-solid batter that is cooked and frozen in a mold. And the pudding I am currently making is banana pudding. So banana pudding, sometimes banana cream pudding, is a pudding generally consisting of layers of sweet vanilla-flavored custard, vanilla wafers and/or ladyfingers, and fresh banana slices placed in a dish and served, topped with whipped cream or meringue. Banana pudding has health benefits as it contains many nutrients from bananas and milk. Benefits of bananas. Rich in fiber that helps digestion and prevents constipation. Contains vitamin A, which is good for vision and strengthens bones. Contains potassium, which improves brain power, circulation in the body, and concentration power. Contains iron that helps produce red blood cells and reduce the risk of anemia. Contains B vitamins that are important for the health of internal organs and the growth of tissues and cells in the body. Contains vitamin C, which is important for the formation of a strong immune system. Benefits of milk. Contains calcium, which is important for strong bones and teeth. Helps prevent osteoporosis and maintain bone strength. Banana pudding can be a complimentary food menu for children who are 10 months old and above. Well, let's get back to the recipe. This part is very important. Make sure the mixture doesn't boil. Just heat it until it's warm and starts to thicken. Step 3. Pouring and cooling the pudding. Okay, our pudding mixture is ready. Now, we pour it into the molds. You can use a big mold or small ones for convenience. Pour slowly into the mold. Make sure to pour it slowly to get a neat and even result. Let it cool at room temperature for 15 to 20 minutes. Before putting it in the fridge, let it sit at room temperature until it's slightly cooled to prevent condensation. Refrigerate for at least 2 hours. Now, this part requires patience. Let the pudding set in the fridge for at least 2 hours to get the perfect texture. Step 4. Serving the pudding. Now our pudding is ready. It's time to plate it beautifully. Carefully remove the pudding from the mold. Add toppings like banana slices, grated chocolate, or almond flakes. You can also serve it with chocolate or caramel sauce for extra flavor. Look at this. It looks so tempting. This banana pudding is soft, creamy, and perfectly sweet. It's the perfect dessert. Before we end this video, I want to share some benefits of banana pudding. Great source of energy. Bananas contain natural carbohydrates that provide a quick energy boost. Good for digestion. Bananas are rich in fiber, which helps maintain a healthy digestive system. High in calcium. Milk-based pudding contains calcium, which is great for strong bones. Diet-friendly. This pudding is low in fat and can be a healthy snack if you reduce the sugar. So, besides being delicious, banana pudding also has many health benefits. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so you won't miss out on more exciting recipes. If you try this recipe, let me know in the comments. See you in the next video and enjoy your homemade banana pudding.